Hi, welcome to this video on Bitget rStocks. So we're going to cover what rStocks are and how to trade them and how they can actually benefit you as the investor or a trader on one platform using USDT. Before we do continue, I just want to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. This video is not financial advice. Crypto is risky, high volatile, no results are guaranteed. Offers may not apply in your region. Some of the links in the description of this video I may earn a commission from. This content is only for experienced users only. Full disclaimer is in the description of this video. So Bitget is an exchange, so universal exchange, where you can trade crypto with USDT, USDC, and you can do perps, futures, spot trading, bots, margin trading, and you can also do stocks as well. You can buy stocks, you can trade stocks, and so on. But what are our stocks? Our stocks are tokenized assets designed to track the performance or the economical performance of selected US shares and ETFs. On Bitget, the reality issued tokens are commonly shown with a R prefix. So let's have a quick look at that. Let's go over to this one. So we can see if you go under stocks and the same on the app, you can see there's an R before each stock over here. So you can buy these stocks, hold these stocks, and you can obviously trade these stocks as well. So let's just go back to this here and we can see that Bitget describes reality stocks or reality issued R tokens as one-to-one backed by the underlying shares held with a licensed broker custody, and this creates a direct link between the token and the reference equity. The backing is done by a broker in the US, so you have high liquidity and deep market liquidity as well. And liquidity matters because of situations like spreads, slippage. So they've actually overcome this problem. If we go over to the actual Bitget information page, you can see they say, what is a Bitget R token? It's a new way to access US stocks with USDT, which is very good because you're trading already crypto, you're investing in crypto, or whatever you're doing on the exchange. But now you can do stocks as well with the same USDT as well. So if we have a look at how it actually works, it's very, very simple. So Bitget R token works by connecting tokenized stock exposure with Bitget's crypto trading infrastructure all in one platform. Instead of treating US stocks as assets that only belong inside a brokerage account, our token brings stock linked exposure into a USD based trading environment. Now, this is the future, I think. I mean, this is really, really cool. I mean, I bought some stocks as well. You can buy the stocks and sell the stocks. You don't need to go through a broker. You don't need to make a phone call. You don't need to move your money out of USDT, then stick it in fiat and so on. So the reality protocol acts like an insurer and infrastructure layer. Each R token is designed to be backed one-to-one by real shares held in custody with a broker connectivity that links the product to the US market infrastructure. So they've got a broker that's backing this. That's very good. The underlying stock or ETF provides market exposure. Each R token is designed to track the economical performance of the corresponding US stock or ETF. For example, NVIDIA or rNVIDIA is designed to reflect NVIDIA's linked exposure, while Apple or RAAPL is designed to reflect Apple's linked exposure. So Bitget provides trading and utility layer. Each eligible users can actually trade supported R tokens with USDT, manage them inside the Bitget account, and use them across supported features such as margin, even lending, futures, grid trading, copy trading, and selective yield products. During US market hours, our token trading can connect with real market liquidity through your broker infrastructure. Now, what I mean is through their broker infrastructure. So that's really good. So there's deep liquidity, helping prices stay aligned with the underlying US stock market. So this is really good because I'm not going to mention anything but or a name, but I was dealing with another broker and there was a lot of slippage and there was all sorts of funny business going on, and I would overpay for a stock, and when I come to sell it, it would freeze. And that's a liquidity issue. If you ever experience something like that, that's a liquidity issue. The main points that we really need to focus on here is that you can do everything inside one exchange. You know, you can say if you have Bitcoin or Ethereum, you want to sell it and you want to sell some of it, or you want to take a loan against it, you can do that all in one platform. Take that extra liquidity, buy some stocks, you know, on margin or futures, however you want to do it, whatever your risk. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. However you want to do it is however you want to do it, but just gives you everything inside one platform. So the liquidity is the best thing because the exposure, which is designed one to one against the underlying share ETF, a normal synthetic model may be created through a derivatives promise, internal inventory, or a price tracking contract. So you don't want to be there. And also they have tighter bid ask spreads. So there's a smaller gap between the buyers and sellers, which can reduce the cost of opening and closing a position. Now I actually tested this. You know, I bought some Nvidia, bought some Apple, and I could not tell what the spread was. I mean, the there was no latency, so you just press buy, press sell. It was all very very fast. 2 weeks ago, I actually bought some Circle. You know, I think I paid 160 or something like that, 59 or 60, and I sold it at 65. Just a quick offloading on some stocks. So there is no latency, which means lower slippage. Slippage is very important because if you're trading big or buying big, and you don't want slippage because you can miss your order, and you can also execute large orders. So more available size can be and reduce market impact when clients trade larger national amounts. Now, liquidity source. So connected to you reference UX equity markets through a broker and custody infrastructure. So that's they have their own broker in the US, which is really, really good. And then over here we know that their order book has a lot of depth, can draw on deeper underlying market activities subject to specific pair and session. So that's very, very good. I mean, the liquidity is a very uh, important thing because you can buy a stock, say 9 o'clock in the morning, sell it at 5 o'clock during the US hours, and you may want to add some more to your position on spot, whether it's futures or spots. And this actually is amazing. And then you're back in USDT. But the bit that I like the most, and this is what I did, I had some Bitcoin. And like I said, this is not financial advice. I had some Bitcoin and I took a loan against that Bitcoin to buy Circle. I had the Circle, I held on to the Circle stock for about 4 days, sold it. My Bitcoin went up, got the profits, paid back the loan for my Bitcoin, and I'm in super profit. Yeah. You do what you need to do. I can't give you financial advice. So you can do that all in one amazing platform. Capital efficiency means reducing unnecessary conversions, transfers, idle balances, and so on. Within Bitget supported account models, selected R tokens can contribute collateral value or connect with other tools while keeping the clients, which is you, underlying stock linked exposure. So what that basically means, you can move stocks around, you can take loans against them, you can actually move them to a margin account. You know, so if you want to, margin them, put some margin on there, which is basically leverage. You know, so it's a lot of information you can actually read on their actual information page, and it just goes on and on and on. You know, there's a comparison uh, table here as well. So let's have a look at some of the key benefits. Okay, so the key benefits are accessing US stock exposure with USDT, 500 plus US stocks and ETFs, backing with real shares. Yeah, 24/7 trading support as well. Then we can look at some of the dividends. Some of the stocks pay you dividends. So if we look at some of the dividend stocks, you're actually paid in USDT. So that is very, very good. And obviously, we talked about the capital efficiency. The Bitget R token can also improve capital efficiencies. Eligible R tokens may be used as margin. This is what I was trying to get at. And pledged as collateral or connected with supported tools as futures, lending, grid, copy trading, and some selected yield products. So there's over 500 plus stocks you can actually purchase here. Now, if we have a look at, say, Nvidia, you can even run like bots as well. So you can actually have strategies. You know, you can actually go long, go short, and if you're good at hedging and you know how to hedge, you know, you could have the actual stock itself on spot, and you could hedge against that. Say if it's coming down or you think the stock is gonna come down, you can short that stock while still having exposure in spot, bit like a hedge fund. So yeah, it's very, very good what they've done. It's very, very good on how they actually put this. The best thing, like I said, is the liquidity part and the latency, which I don't really talk about too much on here. The latency for me is very important. I want to buy the stock by pressing buy. I don't want any delays. I don't want any slippage. I don't want any BS. Yeah, you usually get this with a lot of other. I'm not going to mention names, with a lot of other broker type platforms. Also, some platforms, and I'm not going to mention any names, I was using in the past, when you actually buy the stock, the fee is crazy. It's like enormous. And so you're going to cover that fee into your profits. It cuts into your profits. So you're going to sell at a slightly higher price. So you really, you know, and this actually happens very fast on this platform, very instant, and you can hedge against it all in one. You don't need to move things around. You don't need to get your USD put in fiat, etc. So I'm going to leave a link to the exchange in the description of this video. If you've got any questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer them. So just to wrap this up, I want to add one more thing, that the ecosystem for the supported R tokens, so beyond collateral, eligible R tokens may connect with selected Bitcoin strategies. So that's lending, income, and portfolio management tools, which can be found in the exchange. And the availability varies by asset and account type. So you can use margins, different strategies. I already gave you a strategy. You don't have to follow that strategy. It's something that I do. I buy and spot and shorten the futures just to cover me. Borrowing, and obviously you got your dividends as well. So yeah, amazing. Yeah, fund with USDT as well, multiple markets. So yeah, and also capital efficiency. There's so much. There's so much. I could make a 2-hour video on this. So I want you guys to go and check it out. Have a look through this page here. Links in the description below. If you use my link, you will get some discount and futures fees. Go and check them out. And at some point, I will expand on this and show you. Maybe I'll do a second video where I have bought some stocks and shorted against them, you know, to keep my portfolio balanced. Maybe I'll do like a hedging video for using Bitget. Thanks a lot. Take care. Have a great day.